Namaste students, myself JVN Brijesh Kumar Yadav, Faculty of Education and Methodology. As you all know, we were talking about photosynthesis. Okay, so almost all of the portion of photosynthesis we have covered so far. Only one small topic is remaining, that is CAM pathway. Today we are going to have that topic. Okay, so try to focus on the topic. I have already prepared notes and I will upload on your portal so that you can remember them for your examination point of view. Okay, so let's start. It is a carbon fixation pathway present in some plants. Okay, before this you have already seen C4 cycle, C3 cycle. All these are the different pathway of carbon fixation in photosynthesis. Okay, depending on different situation, different plants have different modification to fix atmospheric CO2. Okay, so this is another kind of fixation where it is known as CAM pathway. Okay, the plant fix carbon dioxide during the night, storing it as a 4 carbon acid, that is malate. Okay, as in case of previous C4, there is two type of carbon fixation that was in two different cell organelles. Same thing happening also here, but these two carbon fixation are happening in two different times. Okay, two different times. One is in daytime, another is in night times. Okay, so we are going to have some of the examples. Some examples you might be knowing that can be considered as most adapted to arid condition, means those areas where very arid, very high temperature, in those areas such type of plants are growing where CAM pathway is going on. Okay, next is CAM plants often display other xerophytic characters such as thick reduced leaves with a low surface area to volume ratio, thick cuticle and stomata sunken. This is already you have studied in your ecology portion, where these are the different adaptations of plants in different areas. I have already explained you in gymnosperms in previous class that some of the plants are adapted to that condition. They have such type of modifications such as thick cuticle, stomata sunken. So such type of modifications are also here. Some shades their leaves during the day season, other store water in vacuoles. Okay, these are the overview of, this is the content of my lecture, that will be introduction, character of CAM plant, overview of CAM, two types of cycle, that during night, during day, see CAM pathway, then benefits are. Okay, so let's moving towards next topic, that is main overview of CAM. Okay, so here during night the CAM plants stomata are open. As we all know that stomata are opened during daytime, but here there is a modification when during night time this stomata open. So in CAM plants stomata are open during night, allow CO2 to enter and be fixed as organic acid, that is malate, that is stored in vacuole. Okay, next step is the carbon dioxide is fixed in mesophyll cell cytoplasm by PAP, phosphoenol pyruvic acid reaction. Okay, you have already seen that. During daytime what happened? During daytime the stomata are closed, then the carbon in the organic acid is free from the mesophyll cells vacuoles and enter into chloroplast stomata. Thus the next cycle, that is Calvin cycle, that will go on. Okay, so in this way there are two times CO2 fixation. Okay, that's why this cycle is more efficient. Thank you very much.